Okay, students, good morning. Now discuss exercise 7.3. Question number 2. How many four-digit numbers? Four-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4 digits cannot be repeated. No digit will be repeated. If no digit will be repeated, that means total number of digits are 10. But in first box, 0 cannot be found. Therefore, total possibilities are 9. In this one, 0 not used. But in second one, 0 will be used, but one number will be used. That means remaining is again 9. Two digits are used, 8 and 7. Again फिर से समझ लीजिए बेटा, इसमें 0 यूज नहीं हुआ है, इसमें 0 यूज हुआ है. जब इसमें 0 यूज नहीं हुआ है तो पहले प्लेस पर 9 डिजिट हुई और दूसरे में 8 डिजिट यूज हो गई थी 10 में से, बट 0 यूज हुआ है, दैट मींस 9. 2 डिजिट आर यूज, 3 डिजिट आर यूज. सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई 81 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 56. 81 56 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. 8 6 48, 44. That means answer is 6354 ways. Is it clear? Now discuss next question. Next question is question number 4. Find the number of four digit, again 4 digit number, 1 2 3 4. Digits are 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Can be found. No digit is repeated. No digit. In this question there are two parts. First part, no digit can be repeated. That is 5 positions. 4, 3 and 2. 4 3 are 12. 120 ways. Second part, again 4 digit number, but in how many even numbers? First of all, test of even is last digit is divisible by 2. That means only two possibilities. Only two possibilities for even. Up one digit is used, that means 4, 3 and 2. 4 16 threes are 48 even numbers. Answer. Is it clear? Now next question. Question is sixth. In a sixth question, P3 this is n minus 1. N minus 1 P3 ratio n P4 equals to 1 ratio 9. Find the value of n in this question. Simply this is written as n minus 1 फैक्टोरियल. इसमें डिफरेंस आता है n माइनस 4. बेटा ये रेशियो में है तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएंगे. फैक्टोरियल n एंड फैक्टोरियल n माइनस 4 is 1:9. This is cancel. n minus 1, n is common. n minus 1, 1 upon 9. This one is cancelled. Therefore, n equals to 9 is the answer. Next question. Is it clear? Next question is question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be formed by the letter of the word Monday? Monday. Assuming that no letters is repeated. Repetition is not allowed. First part. 4 letters are used at a time. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया बेटा? 4 letters आपको एक साथ यूज करने हैं. 4 letters used at a time. But before this question, discuss different question. Before this question, now discuss question number 7. In 7th, first part, 5PR equals to 2, 6PR minus 1. Find the value of R. This is written as factorial 5, factorial 5 minus R twice factorial 6. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस करो तो 7 minus R. This 5 is smallest number. अब 5 minus R is greater or 7 minus R is greater? 7 minus R is greater. Therefore, smallest as it is 2. 6 is common. Factorial 5. 7 minus R is common. 6 minus R is common. 5 minus R. This one is cancelled. ये cancel हो गए. आ गया बेटा 7 minus R, 6 minus R is 12. 12 is written as 4 into 3 because these are two consecutive numbers and these are two consecutive numbers. Therefore, greater number is equals to greater number. R is 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now second part of the same 7th question. Is 5PR equals to 6PR minus 1? 5 minus R, 6, बेटा ये 7 minus R, 5 as it is. हमेशा ग्रेटर नंबर में से कॉमन निकालिए, एक लेस बचेगा. 7 minus R is common, 6 minus R is common, 5 minus R. ये cancel, ये cancel. 7 minus R, 6 minus R is 6. 6 is written as two consecutive numbers. 7 minus R equals to 3, R equals to 4 is the answer. Now discuss question number 9. Ninth question. What is Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. In this one, there are two vowels O and A, M and D-Y. ये vowel हैं दोनों और ये 4 consonants. Okay. First part. 4 letters are used at a time. 4 letters. अब सिर्फ 4 लेटर यूज होने हैं. टोटल कितने? 6. तो 6p4. अब 6p4 को सॉल्व कर दीजिए. 4. दिस इज 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 2, 1. 2, 1 is cancelled. That means 6 3s are 18. 18 to 36. 360 is the answer. Second part. Second part is all letters are used at time. That means 6p6. 6p6 means factorial 6 and factorial 6 is 720 is the answer. Third part. All letters are used but first letter is a vowel. इसमें से एक vowel हो. That means 2p1 और letters सारे यूज होने हैं. Therefore 5 letters are remaining. 5. 2p1 is 2. This is 120. 240 is the answer. Remaining exercise do. Okay, now discuss combination.